This is the 12 pack of the Premier Protein 11.5 ounce bottles. I like to make this stuff myself in powder mix, but sometimes I like the convenience of just being able to grab a bottle out of the freezer or fridge. I put it in the freezer to freeze it sometimes. Just to show you how it arrives, it comes in a 12 pack in a box just like this. So arrived very safely. Let me move it out of the way. So each of the bottles are completely sealed. You've got this serrated edge on here, so it makes it easy to unwrap. One serving is considered a whole bottle. It's 160 calories. You have a total of 3 grams of fat in here, 3 grams of dietary fiber, and only 1 gram of sugar. And the main thing for me was 30 grams of protein in here. We've got 30% daily values of vitamin D, 50% of calcium, 15% of iron, and 6% of potassium. On the side here, there's also a whole string of other vitamins that are inside of here. What I like to do is open it up, pour it into my shake cup, add some ice, some banana, maybe a slice of orange, blackberries, that kind of stuff, and make myself a little protein shake. And I've already got the base done for me here. I could do that also with the powder, but I like having the bottles around because I can just grab one on the go if I need to. But the stuff tastes great. If you're used to Premier Protein, it tastes just like what you're used to. And love the chocolate flavor.